Hello, everyone. My name is Ibrahim Mukaila, and I am an instructor with Zacrac Learning. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use a like operator when you want to dynamically look through just a single value. What do I mean by this? So, before explaining, let me just do a select statement and let's see what I'm trying to talk about. So, if I do a select from a table called offices, and I just run this. So we have a couple of rows there, but where I want to call our attention to is this row one and row two. And if we look at this state column, we see there's a CA, there's a CB. So let's say for instance, I need to look at the details of offices where the details is C something, maybe CA, maybe CB, maybe CD, maybe CF or C something. But just know that one character is what is different in all of them. But I want you to list for me every character every one that has that one character is different. For instance, if I say CA and I say CB and I say CD, to me, they have every other thing is the same except that one character that is different. So how do I select this kind of things and see all of them? So that's where the operator comes in. So all I need to do is to say select everything from office, and I do a where clause. Let me just do it where and say state, which is the name of the column, like, and then I start open this, put my C that's in common, and because the last one, the second, is the one that is dynamic for all of them. So to do that one single value that is dynamic, I'm just going to put an underscore. And then I'm just going to close my approach to it. So now I now have where state like C and then this. So this underscore represents just one digit. So any one digit after C that is different would be repeated. For instance, it's supposed to return to me CA. So A here is this underscore is representing, B here is what this underscore is representing. However, anything that is more than one character after C, it will not be returned. It's just going to return just one character that comes after C. So let's run this and let's see what's going to happen. So once I run this, you see it's returning to me CA and CB, even though A is not the same as B. So that's what the like operator does. It enables you to dynamically search for a particular character, and in this case we are checking for a single character, and to look for a single character we just need to do an underscore. So that's what this is all about. And it's very important. You might have names of people that are correlating, but there's one value there, one character there that is actually different for all of them. So to be able to select everything, and with even with that dynamic character, then we use an underscore with a like operator to do that. So thank you for watching this, and if you would like to learn more on data science and databases kindly log on to www.zacraclearning.com. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe to this channel, and also drop your comment below.